Woohoo! I'm organizing the art room! Let me show you where the crayons are! This is a box of 10 crayons. And this shelf has 10 boxes on it. Remember, friends, each box has 10 crayons inside. So there are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 crayons here. 10 boxes of 10 crayons each equals 100 crayons total. That's so many colors. Which side has 100 crayons? Tap it. Awesome! You don't have to count each crayon. You can just count 10 boxes of 10. Which side has 100 crayons? Tap it. Good job! A flat is made up of 100 blocks. Tap the flat. Super! A flat is made up of 100 blocks. Don't count each block in the flats. How many blocks are there total? Don't count each block in the flats. How many blocks are there total? Super! A flat is made up of 100 blocks. There are 200 total. How many blocks are there total? Great! There are 500 total. Draw a line across to match the numbers with the matching blocks. Good thinking! Draw a line across to match the numbers with the matching crayons. Good work!